Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to see mature content on Instagram or how to see inappropriate pictures on Instagram. Firstly, open your Instagram app and go to your profile icon. Here simply tap on the three dots. Scroll down until you find account. Or simply search sensitive content control. What you need to do is simply turn it off so that you can see the mature content on Instagram. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more of these types of videos.